Google Trends is one of the well-known, popular and effortless tools digital marketers use for keyword research and to know what's trending. One of the reasons Google Trends is popular is that it is a free tool yet very useful. However, marketers still don't use Google Trends up to its potential. They miss out on a lot of features, but this video will cover every feature of Google Trends. This is Sumit from PaperVideo, and in this video we'll show you how to use Google Trends for keyword research. We'll explain every feature of it, so watch the video till the end. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So first, let's understand properly. What is Google Trends and how does it work? Google Trends is a free tool offered by Google that helps you check the trends in a specific time span for a particular location and specific search type. It enables you to compare several keyword trends and even shows you which is the most trending topic in the region. But how does it actually work? Google Trends basically divide each data point by the total search of a region in a time range to compare relative popularity. Then it scales each data point from the scale of 0 to 100. For example, the total search of a specific region in a particular time is X and the total search of a data point is Y. Then this Y will be divided by X. Google Trends will scale the highest data point among the time frame as 100 and other data points will be scaled by relative popularity compared to the highest data point. Just to show you guys, I'm adding the keyword anatomy in Google Trends with the time frame of 12 months and the location is India. Now you can see the trends here. This one point is scaled 100 and all points you see are the data points compared to the highest data point. Hence, Google Trends don't actually show the search volume of the term, but only show how the popularity of the keyword is changing over a very useful time. But while you do your keyword research, you should not rely on Google Trends alone. Always use other keyword research tools which show you average monthly search, keyword difficulty, etc. A combination of Google Trends and keyword tools is the best way to do the keyword research. Now that you understood what Google Trends is and how it works, let's see how to use Google Trends the best way. There are several ways to use Google Trends, one of which is checking seasonal trends. Seasonal trends are a keyword or topic which remains to trend at a specific time or a month. As Google Trends are actually made to check trends, there is no better tool than this. By identifying the keyword trend, you can target the keyword at the right time of the year and even target the right place. For example, I'm adding a regional sweet dish known as modak in Google Trends with the time range of past 5 years. Now you can see that the trend of this sweet dish goes up to around August or September in a year and then becomes flat the whole year. It is because the sweet dish is mostly made at the festival known as Ganesh Chaturthi. If you go below, you will see that the dish is popular in Maharashtra and Goa. It's because the festival is mostly celebrated in these states. If you click the sub-region button and then click the city, you'll see that the cities in the coastal region of Maharashtra have the highest trend. If you go more specific, you'll find that this festival is mostly celebrated in these cities. So, if you're writing a blog or making a recipe video on modak, it is better to make it at the time of the festival. If you're running a sweet shop, then it's better to target at the time of the festival and for the specific region. So you can see how easy and effective it is to find the seasonal trend on Google Trends. You can use this trend to plan your content and decide when to target. Another best way to use Google Trends is find related search queries and topics. For example, if you search SEM Rush on Trends, below the interest by sub-region, you'll see two tabs, related topics and related queries. Related topics are the topics that users also search for when they search SEM Rush, like you can see here. And related queries are search queries which most people also search when they search the given term. By default, both related topics and related queries tabs show the rising option, which shows the terms which got an exponential rise in a period. There is also another option you can use here, which is top. The top option shows the terms which are actually the top terms, where the topmost term is scaled 100 and other terms are scaled relatively. With the help of related queries, you can find out what precisely the people are searching for. Here, I can see that people are also searching RFs, which is an SEO tool like SEMrush. So I can just create a blog in comparison between both of these tools. However, before that, you should also check the search volume of the term you are targeting. Another thing you can do with trends is decide which region to target. Which keywords you should target also depends on the region you are targeting, and Google Trends can help you with it. Suppose you have a blog where you write about mobiles. So we'll go to Google Trends and search Apple, and we get the results here. These are the few countries where you see Apple is most trending. But when we add a new term, the whole scenario changes. We'll just add Samsung here, where you can see which country searches for Apples the most and which searches for Samsung the most. You can target a specific country and even target specific regions in the country. Just click that specific country and you can see which region is trending for which term. Remember, all these things you can do for web search and YouTube search and even for image, news and Google shopping search. With this, you can also check daily trends and real-time trends. For this, you have to go to the homepage of Google Trends, scroll down and you will find the recently trending tab. Below this tab, you will find the hypertext more trending searches. Click it. Now you will see two tabs above, daily search trends and real-time search trends. Daily search trends will show you trends specifically of each day. It can help you if you write or create videos on trending topics. Real-time trends on the other side will tell you trending trends of the past 24 hours. The additional feature here is that you can check real-time trends of various categories, which is very helpful to catch trends faster. In both these tabs, you can see trends per country. So now you probably understood how to use Google Trends for your keyword research. As I said earlier, always use Google Trends with other keyword tools, which will make your keyword research very effective. If you want to know about more free tools you can use, you can read our blog for the 9 best content writing tools. The link is in the description below. If you liked our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.